Hello everyone. We are going over today a quick tutorial on how to update the firmware of your G1 and G1-MINI ASIC miner from Ipollo to version 2.4.1, which should allow us to mine Cuckatoo31 or C31 algorithm coins or tokens such as MimbleWimble coin. First, let's download the official Ipollo firmware found in the official Ipollo downloads website. So let's go over and navigate to ipollo.com/downloads. Make sure you are downloading the appropriate firmware version for your device. We have the G1-MINI on the right hand side and then the G1 on the left hand side. So make sure you're downloading the 2.4.1 for your appropriate device. For this demonstration, I have a G1-MINI, so I'm going to be downloading the G1-MINI firmware. Make sure you're able to locate the file in your device. And for me, I default save it to the downloads folder. Okay, once done, let's navigate into the dashboard console of your particular device. Whether it's the G1 or the G1-MINI, they should have a pretty similar interface. Simply open a web browser and then enter your local IP of your device. Log in with your credentials. And then from here, we should head over to the system settings and then backup flash firmware. Under the flash new firmware image, make sure we are checking the keep settings option. This should allow us to keep all of our settings after we flash the firmware. And then let's upload the file that we just downloaded earlier. Let's see. There it is. Ipollo G1-MINI, verify that it's the 2.4.1. We're going to go ahead and click Flash Image. And then here they provided us a checksum. You can do that if you're very tech savvy. This is just to verify that the integrity of the file is legit and it's coming from a legitimate source. But I know that I got it from the official website, so I'm not going to worry about that right now. There's also a couple things that you should make sure before you proceed. Make sure that the device is connected to a stable power outlet and stable network connection. You don't want any interruption in this whole process. The whole process takes about 2 to 5 minutes. And then, so I'll go ahead and click proceed. And there you have it. There's a warning. Do not power off the device. And then it's doing its thing. There's no progress bar for some reason, but rest assured, it's doing its thing. It takes about 2 to 5 minutes, like I said. Once completed, the browser should take us back to the same login screen when we first navigated to the local IP of the device. And there you have it. Browser automatically refreshed back to the login screen. So let's log in with our credentials. And there we have it. It's version 2.4.1. I understand that at the beginning of the video, I was already at 2.4.1. But rest assured, if you follow the process, whether you're coming from 2.4.0, this should show us that 2.4.1, and it should bring you back to this main dashboard. We kept the settings, so as you can tell, the miner starts mining right away because it kept all the configuration. Well, there you have it. You are now able to configure the pool settings to mine Cuckatoo31 MimbleWimble coin. Have fun.